Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, then welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So today's video I will be talking about a collaboration I had done with an online store. So this store is basically an Insta store. So I will talk about it. I will show you the product which I got from there. Watch the full video to get the detailed review of the clothing item which I bought from that store. This Insta store is called Inspiraars. They are a range of clothing brand. So what is the speciality I really wanted to talk about is that all the clothing whichever they have are hand painted. I mean, that is so awesome. Each and every clothing which they sell are actually hand painted and they are really nice. It's really nice and creative, so I really loved this idea of the store. First of all, show you the unboxing of the top which I got from the store, and I found that even packaging of my top was so nice. I mean, I really loved the packaging. So I will show you the unboxing first. How pretty the packaging was. Even provided me with a coupon. So this coupon is basically for friends. I mean, I will provide the coupon code in my description box. If you want to shop from this online store, then you can use this coupon code and get a 20% discount on any one product. So that is really good. And now I will show you my top. So this is my top from Inspiraars. I really loved the color of the product. The color of the product is mint green. I mean, I really love this color, so I chose this, and it is hand painted, as you can see. And I am a music lover, so I just got this music top from there. Fabric is so soft and comfortable that it is the perfect wear for summers. Even they have this beautiful neckline which is really unique. I really loved the neckline. As you can see, I will wear the top and show you how nice it is looking on me. I'm really happy with this awesome top from Inspiraars. I will definitely suggest you to please go and shop from them. I will provide the store's link in my description box so you can find out all about it and all the products which are all hand painted. Inspiraars, very good. A big shout out to you guys. I will show you my top. I'll wear the top and show you. Thank you so much for watching the full video, and if you have liked my video, if you want to see more of my videos, do subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends, and also leave a comment below. So thank you so much. Bye bye.